welcome back. I have quite the Barbie party. I have my Kelly, Chelsea, Stacy, Skipper, brunette Barbie with the one bendy arm and one straight arm. I have my made to move Barbie. I have a Ken, and I have my vintage Hawaiian fun Barbie. And why do I need this party of Barbies? Well, I went back. Can you tell what it is from the sound? Look at that. I went back to the thrift store and I found a really cool bag that I think is vintage Barbie clothes. But we may need other Barbies to try them on. And you've seen me in other videos where I've said, oh, I wish I had my Stacy or my Skipper. Well, look at this. I got this at Value Village for $3.99. And I think, and I'm almost certain that it's vintage Barbie because look at the outfit. Do you see what my Hawaiian fun Barbie is wearing? I really think this is vintage Barbie clothes, and this is giving Barbie movie. I didn't bring my Margot Robbie Barbie, but I did make sure she's wearing her dress. And I think this might be for Ken, which is why we have Ken. But maybe we need something where we can bend both arms. Maybe we need one that only has one arm. What if it only fits her? So this time I brought them all. We are prepared. There looks like there's a lot of goodies in this. You ready? We're just going to rip it open. I don't like that they use staples though. Because like, look. Ugh. I'm just going to cut it. I don't want to risk. Ouch. Ouch. See? I don't want to risk my hands. Oh, there's so much good stuff. Sorry, Barbies. I'm just going to do. Look at that. They're all just piled there. Ken, move your arm. Ken, move your arm. Oh, now there's a bar. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ready? So exciting. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely vintage Barbie. 1990. This is why I love the tags. This is 1990's Barbie. Look at that. Oh my God. I love the jacket. Oh, no way. It's got the actual matching outfit. So this will not fit our newer Barbies, but this will definitely fit our vintage Barbie. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's see what else we have. I'm obsessed with that. These are actual outfits. Look at these pants. Oh my gosh. No tags, so they might not be that old. But okay, let's start here. Outfit number 1 with the puffer coat. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. And the matching outfit with the legs. I love this. You're going to have to figure out which one of our Barbies wore this. This one I also believe is the matching set. So we'll move that set here. We have the pants. How 90s are these pants? These are so 90s. They are so 90s. I'm pretty sure this shirt goes with, which is why I think this is a Ken's outfit. Look at that. Plastic snaps. Someone looks like they repaired it. And this is like actual fabric. Oh my gosh. No tags. No tags. But that looks like a Ken shirt, right? Everyone, we all agree that looks like, oh yeah, that's a matching set. And it has the jacket too. Oh my gosh. Look at the matching set. Does this one have a tag? Ooh, maybe these ones aren't authentic Barbie. But still, oh my gosh. There's another outfit. So far, 2 outfits. Let's shimmy, shimmy. I am so glad I brought Ken because I think these are a lot of Ken stuff. Look at these pants. Oh my gosh. Is there any tags? No tags. Okay. So they might be dupes. But these are Ken's. There's no way that's going to fit Barbie in the waist. Absolutely not. This one has a tag. Okay. Look at the purple shirt. And it has Barbie. Doesn't have a year. So this one has the year. So this one must have come with the doll. Purple shirt. Oh my gosh. Totally 90s. Look at the vest. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Should we put the vest with the shirt? There's so many. Okay. Oh, this one has an ink stain. Look. Oh, look at the jacket. This one is in not good shape. Look at that. But no tag. No tag. Look at the staining. Oh, that is too bad. How It says Maxi? Oh, maybe this one isn't for Barbie. It says Maxi. Do we know anything about Maxi? I don't know. Okay. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a vest. That has to go with Ken. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's more. There's more. This is, I don't even want to know what this is. No tags. It looks like a milkmaid's dress. No tags. Snowflakes? I don't know. This is so cool. Okay. This one looks like it should be part of not Princess Jasmine, Belle, maybe? Was there a 90s Belle doll? I mean, the movie did come out in the 90s. I don't think any of these are going to fit other than the vintage Barbie, but this is really pretty. I think this would have been from Belle or a Belle inspired. What do you guys think? Belle inspired? You know what? So far for $3.99, we got Ken clothes and this super cool vintage outfit. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And these are gold. I'm going to say tights. Do you know what I didn't like about old Barbie is like, it is so hard to get the legs back. Oh, and they're footed tights. Ooh. I don't know if these are going to actually fit a Barbie. Still so cool. They're so cool. Okay, they must go with that. Maybe. No, they don't go with that. Oh, they go with this little gold bodysuit. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one's Velcro. It is some dirty Velcro. There is no name, but oh my gosh, no tag. Look at the beading detail. Is that one breaking? Maybe it is. Okay, so we won't pull too hard on the beading detail. I'm loving it. I love it. Okay, I don't know if this is, what the, okay, okay. I'm going to assume someone made this. It's a hat, but it's attached to like a dress. So like there's where you would put the arms. Maybe it's a shirt and then the hat goes. I mean, maybe we just to the side with that one. I don't know. What do you think? Okay, last piece. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at it's shorts. So this would have had to have been like a skipper or something because it's super tiny. All right, guys. All in all of this vintage clothes for Barbie and whatever this thing is, we're going to leave it at that for $3.99. Now, I want to try on one of the pieces. I absolutely do. My issue is vintage Barbie spins at the waist and she's super teeny waisted. Whereas our newer Barbie, sorry Ken, do not spin at the waist and they are more, I'm going to call it realistic in profile. What should we do? You know what? Okay. Their old legs are rubbery too. Let's try on this one. We'll put this one on Stacy maybe because she is the shortest. And maybe we want to try on a Ken outfit too. Let's see. Let's just go for it. Maybe we'll do a separate video of, trying on these outfits. But let me know which ones are your favorite. I love this one. And I absolutely love this one. I want to see them. But you know what? Now I want to see this on Ken. Maybe we'll do 2 outfits today. Maybe we'll actually try on 2. Can I get these into her legs? Like, can I? Oh my gosh. Oh, she's going to look so funny. Here is where it would be nice if all of our Barbies had bendy arms. Mattel. Is this going to fit her? Oh no, it's too small. It's not going to fit. Okay. All right, let's just do a real quick, sorry, Stacy, change of plans. And I think it's going to be too big for our Chelsea. And I know for a fact it's not going to fit Kelly. What doll was this outfit from then? Do you guys know? Let's see. Can we get this on her? I really thought it was going to fit. Wow. So maybe, oh my gosh. You know, it'd be nice if the clothes actually fit. Is this from Oh my goodness. Oh, this is not a good look on you, girl. This is not. Oh my gosh. Nope. No, this is not a good look. Oh, that looks so terrible. I am so sorry, Chelsea. Oh, bad look, bad look. But let's try Ken. Now, he is a newer Ken, so we're going to have the same issue with the waist. But I got to try. I have got to see. I want to see Ken in this weird little vest. Are these Ken pants? Okay, so. Is it so? It is stuck on his toes. Okay? You know what? Ken's clothes are really expensive. His hand is stuck. Is that, oh my gosh. Do you know why his hand was stuck? These pants have pockets. They have actual pockets. Do you see that? Actual pockets. Mattel. Pockets. When is the last time you saw doll clothes with pockets? All right. Come on, Ken. Okay, if you know, I cannot get his arms in. If you know, I'm assuming this bag is all from the 90s. There is Ken. Ah, there is Ken. If you know what any of these are from, like, is this from a different doll? Because this is a no-go. We're not keeping that outfit. Oh, or what a maxi is. Was maxi Barbie? I don't know. Can I get Made to Move's hands through? The issue, though, with Made to Move Barbies is that their hands... Well, maybe. Ooh. Okay, maybe this is more of a skipper thing. I don't know. She looks cute. It fits Barbie. I don't know. From the 90s, do you recognize any of these outfits? I was pretty much done playing with Barbies in the 90s, until now. When I play with them all the time... But I don't recognize any of these. I don't know, except for maybe this one. But this was not roller skating Barbie. Maybe she was a new version of Hawaiian Fun Barbie. I don't know. But if you do, let me know in the comments and tell me which was your favorite outfit. Because even this one's kind of weird. I'm going with these two. Sorry, Ken. You look cute in your blue. But I think maybe this is a Barbie outfit too. Maybe we should try Barbie on in these ones. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a fashion show of all of these outfits. And I can film it. All right, thank you so much for watching.